Hello, and welcome to my CS50 project. My name is Diana Toma, class of MBA 2020. My other team members were Priyansha Saxena and Tanmay Pai, who are also class of 2020 in the School of Management. And without further ado, our project title is called Made for Each Other. Made for Each Other is a wedding planning website for newly engaged couples looking to understand what it takes to create a wedding, as well as couples who are trying to secure vendors for their special day. Now, this is what our homepage looks like, which is also our index. So you can see here, you can redirect at any time you want. And we have here a photo with our company name, with our motto, as well as the top nav, which serves as a vertical process that we take our newly engaged couples on. So from the homepage, we direct them to take a quiz to understand the preferences for their wedding with specific instructions on how to answer the quiz. And these are the questions, as you can see here. And so we have them populated initially for the first, and then you could submit and you can have your answer here. After the quiz, you can go to the checklist, which is a collapsible list where it tells you the specific steps you need to take to prepare for your big day. Now, we have two customer segments, newly engaged couples and couples that are looking to secure vendors. So we have two ways of navigating to the vendor tab, either through here, where if a couple is determined to, let's say, pick a florist, they can do so, or from the vertical process, which is more for the newly engaged, pardon me. So as you can see here, when you click here, you'll have the results from our mini database in Excel filtered based on category, and you can search. Right now, we are limited to results in Boston, New York, and Los Angeles with the ability to expand. Last but not least, you can contact us via this form for further inquiries. Thank you.